Hello everybody, I'm glad to be back again. I saw the comments, saw what's happening, saw what's taking place. Each his own, we can carry on, keeping on with the keeping on. You know, kin folks, honkies, hillbillies, shit, even all the weirdos out there, you know. Hey guys, malt liquor, you know. Ain't all the time, you know, I mean, like, you gotta drink malt liquor, you know, hey. But coming your way, I have something that's gonna be kind of interesting, because I'm comparing two snacks tonight. Shout out to Beer Girl 412. Shout out to Riz. Tangled. Marshall Duncan. Let's see. Fuck is his name? Well, let's get on with this. I swear, I always thought, and to this moment, I believe, pork rinds and this go hand in hand together as a snack and a beer and a beverage. And I'm about to find out, guys. I'm about to find out. I have got my wisdom teeth pulled us off comment years ago, many moons, over 16 years ago. Never had a stroke. It's rumors been going around I had a stroke. No, I haven't had a stroke. And I have plain old potato sticks. I'm going to compare which one is better with Cobra 25 ounces. I'm not buzzed at all. I just had a little bit of my Feathers beer, so I'm going to sip up and buzz up some more.